Hi friends, very good evening. Today, in this video, I'll be telling you five very important things which you should carry to Serbia and ultimately to Canada. So, why? Why we require this? First, to save money. Secondly, not to feel nostalgic. And thirdly, and most importantly, not to change the habit of your taste buds and ultimately not to stay hungry. So, the very first thing which you should carry along with you is ready to eat meals like dal, rajma, paneer makhni, etc. according to your choices. Those are available everywhere in every supermarket, grocery stores. I ordered it from Milk Basket and Big Basket. It was easily delivered at my place. Um, I just used to buy rice packets in Serbia and used to cook them and take them along with dal, rajma, or paneer, whatever was my choice. In fact, my daughter's choice. So I had to keep all this in mind because I was also traveling with a 6-year-old kid. So I also took some heat and eat, ready to eat Malabar parathas, lacha parathas, and ready to eat theplas, which I just used to warm it up on the induction and like serve to my family. And believe me, these were the real lifesavers. There are also available some ready to eat rotis, Nippon rotis in the market, which you can take it along for because its shelf life is not more than 5 days, so you cannot take it like too much, but some of them you might take it. Because really, guys, it is not about the money that you are not willing to buy. It's in Serbia, it's really about the language which nobody understands. Most of the people are non-vegetarian, so it will be a very problematic for the vegetarian people to ask for a vegan food. So this will be really lifesavers in case if you are traveling to Canada via Serbia and you have to quarantine there in Serbia. Secondly, which I have also told in my earlier video, you should carry euros rather than dollars because for €1 you get 118 Serbian dinars, but for $1 US dollars you get only 97 Serbian dinars. So comparatively, the rates for euros are high and you can get it exchanged from the post office or from wherever you are getting the better rates in the airport also, but on the airport I think you get some rates lower than the outside post offices and all. Third important thing which you should carry to Serbia and ultimately to Canada, because this will be beneficial in Canada too: rolling board, rolling pin, which we call in Hindi chakla and belan, and the tong, the chimta, and the induction cooker. Yes, every utensil should be induction based. So you should carry all this because in these countries nobody eats chapatis. Like it's not like that nobody eats. It's about their choices. The choice is comparatively low for chapatis. So you should definitely carry these two, because in Canada also I got a full furnished kitchen, but these four stuffs were not available: the rolling board, the rolling pin, the tong, and the pressure cooker. And we, being the Indians, cannot survive without chapatis. So yes, of course. As I got a fully furnished kitchen, a fully furnished house. So, in case if you are not getting the same, you definitely everybody plans where to stay. So, in case if you're not getting a full furnished kitchen, then you should carry one pan and some cutleries too along with you. The fourth important thing and my favorite was all the tea essentials, including the tea strainers, the chhanni, because the choice for the people over here and in Serbia is of the coffee. So if you are a tea lover, you should carry your tea along with you. I brought some masala tea from Chayos, then some normal tea from Taj Mahal. So it's still like on. I have my own taste tea. I have just bought the ginger, so making it and drinking it. The fifth important thing which you should carry along is the hair oil. You will not get it anywhere, though I did not carried it with me because I forgot to take it along with me, was the hair oil. I tried to find out there in the store in Serbia. I did not got it. Um, in Canada, I'm still under quarantine, so I have not explored the market. But yes, uh, from the grocery store where I ordered the grocery, the hair oil was not available. So, how to do the groceries in Canada, I'll be telling you in my next video. So, stay tuned with my channel in case if you like my imparting knowledge to be knowledgeable enough. So, you can subscribe my channel for staying tuned. All right, have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.